Hello everyone, this is question 8 of GATE 2018 Chemical Engineering paper from the subject of heat transfer. The question is segmental baffles in a 2-4 shell and tube heat exchanger. So corresponding to that question we have been given 4 options and we have to find which one of the following is correct. So this is a schematic of a general shell and tube heat exchanger, and for this specific case we can see that the tube, so this is my tube side fluid and yes, and it goes via this path and exits over here. So here it is a single pass, and similarly for the shell side fluid it will go like this. So for the shell side also we are having a single pass. So this is 1 dash 1 cell and tube heat exchanger. Similarly for 2 dash 4 cell and tube heat exchanger we will bring 2 shell passes and 4 tube passes. So now let's look at the given options. So shell and segmental baffles. So we have been asked to find the purpose of segmental baffles. So whether it changes the flow pattern on the tube side fluid and increase the overall heat transfer coefficient. So see, in the tube side, for the tube side flow, we aren't changing the flow patterns, because even if it is laminar, then it will stay laminar, and if it is turbulent, the flow will stay the same. So the first option is incorrect. The second option is increase the heat transfer coefficient in cell side and support the tubes. Yes. So these are the baffles, and from diagram we can see that they serve the purpose of supporting the tubes, as well as if I introduce the baffles in our heat exchanger, then the flow through the shell side will be hindered. So here we will be having kind of turbulent flow, and that will increase our heat transfer coefficient. So due to the presence of baffles, the heat transfer coefficient is increased due to turbulence, and also the tubes are supported. So the given option is correct. Option B is correct. Now help to reduce the thermal expansion of tubes and increase the heat transfer coefficient on the tube side. No. So the baffles won't be affecting thermal expansion of tubes. So even in presence of baffles, thermal expansion will occur. So in the option D is increase the number of passes in cell side and increase the heat transfer coefficient on the tube side. So the option D is also incorrect. Option C is also incorrect. So yes, from the given option, we can say that option B, that is in the baffles increase the heat transfer coefficient in the cell side and support tubes, that is option B is correct.